Welcome back to Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. My name's Amanda. I'm super excited to be back on the show, and I'm here with Micah today.
Hi there.
What are we making today?
Today we're going to be doing a one-pot mac and cheese.
Awesome. I'm super excited about this because A, it's in one pot. It is super quick, easy to make for a weeknight recipe. The cleanup is very easy, and it's a recipe that the whole family will love. So I just want to talk to you a little bit. I know that you guys eat a lot of vegan food at home. So what would you substitute to make this vegan instead of eating cheese?
So I'm not vegan, but my wife makes a lot of different meals that are vegan. And she does a killer vegan mac and cheese. And basically it's replacing things with cauliflower, potatoes, and replacing the cheese with nutritional yeast, things like that.
Awesome, very cool. I know a lot of people are kind of making the switch over to vegetarian and vegan lifestyles. So maybe that's something we can look at doing down the road. So let's see how it's done. This is a super great recipe, really delicious. We've added pancetta to this, but you can absolutely do this without meat. I just added it in to add a little bit of flavor to the recipe. So next week, we will be back again, and we're gonna do 3 recipes, family-friendly vegetables, 3 recipes that your kids will love to eat.
And in between that, come see us anytime. If you need any help with anything from appliances, mattresses, barbecues, the videos we do, recipes, anything you need, we're always here.
Yes, and if you have any ideas for the show, please leave them in the comments below, and we will see you soon. Have a great day.